So in this video, we are going to be looking at what content creation is about. How do you take advantage of content creation? How do you ensure that you get to build yourself in your content creation? And how do you get to a point where you'll be able to monetize that particular content? Because a lot of us are going into content creation ignorantly without really coming or having this basic information I'm going to be talking about here. By the end of this video, you will see that it's actually simpler than exactly what you are struggling with. When I go to my Facebook handle, one of my Facebook handle here, where I talked about DJ related stuff, when you look at it, you can see these are graphic related stuff that talked about DJ stuff. If I go on, you can see this is talking about DJ stuff. You can see DJ related stuff. If I continue, you can see this is it, another one again. If I go on TikTok, you can see the same thing. These are all DJ related videos talking about DJ related. If I go on YouTube, you can see this is the same thing. So what exactly is content creation? From what you can see, it means content creation is about putting up information together which you will pass to the public out there with a view of getting them to interact with that content. This interaction can come in diverse ways. This can come in terms of views like this. They can come in terms of likes. They can come in terms of share and the rest of them, even comments, asking you questions or seeking for assistance or wanting to pay to get a particular product. And if you don't really understand the entire concept of this content creation and as well as publicity and marketing, it's going to be a very big problem. So for you to enjoy this, it means your content is going to be about a particular thing, and that particular thing you are going to be posting over and over and over again is to create awareness on a particular product, either services or a particular thing, if you really want to enjoy this monetization that we are talking about, which means beyond just the regular monetization that the platform has, you can actually take advantage of it. This is why some people talked about affiliate marketing and the rest of them. So that is why also affiliate marketing looks very, very difficult for a lot of people, because you want to be posting about a particular thing without really taking time to build yourself in that particular regard. So when you put up a content, that content should be something you are very familiar with. It can start from a gradual process. You must not know 100%. While doing that, you build yourself, you research, and you get to know more about it while you are telling people to. Then while you are doing that, you are posting it on social media platforms like all these ones I just showed you, starting from Facebook, TikTok, and the rest of them. I'm going to tell you why each of these platforms is important. At least have one, two, or three. So when you make it available there, people will get to know about it. You are creating publicity. This is what the initial stage comes about. Then when you create that publicity to a certain stage, then you begin to talk about content marketing. Oh, we'll talk about content marketing in this stage. At this particular stage, you are going to be incorporating either a product or service into that content. Like in my own case, I've incorporated the DJ services related. I also incorporated marketing and a host of other material into it, in this to sell to people. So in this case, we are now moving from just normal content creation to content marketing. You create the content around a particular product, then you put in high valuable product for people to pay to get or to get your services in that regard. So this is why that, and a lot of us, because we don't understand this little gap, we end our entire life into content creation. Then you, at the end of the day, you see that you are at loose. That's why you see people with millions of followers, thousands of followers, at the end of the day, they never make anything from this social media. Then they become frustrated because there's nothing to keep them going. So you now have a clear understanding of this. Then we are now going to look at why you need to be in one or two of these platforms. Because when you post it there, when you go on YouTube, let me go to the analytics. I will go to audience now. You go to audience. This information are very, very important for you to get to know. You get to see that there are 1,000 followers, and I'm having about 2,000. I'm having about 2,000 plus subscribers on this channel. Look at it. Look at it here. So if I go, even with the 11 point something K, if I go to audience now, you get to see that there are 1,000 plus 1,000 returning viewers. This means half of the people that are watching my content are coming back to watch more. So this is why this information, it tells you that I'm actually providing high valuable content on this particular channel. So this is one point you are going to see. You see that more people are subscribing. Then this is what interests us here down. I'm going to be doing this for almost all this major platform I talk about, you can see the top view here is United States. You can clearly see them, followed by Nigeria, Ghana, India, and the rest of them. YouTube algorithm has this particular type of arrangement that is based on what I'm having here, because the algorithm for each channel varies a bit. So you need to take advantage of this to create more publicity for what you're doing. So in as much as I'm in Nigeria, but my highest viewers are coming from United States, which is a very good indication. You can clearly see it here. If I go on TikTok and I go on audience, if I come down here, you can see my highest top viewers are coming from South Africa, Kenya, Nigeria. Even though I'm in Nigeria, but my top viewers are coming from other countries. When you look at it carefully, you see that TikTok algorithm is mostly revolving around Africa. Then if I go on Facebook, when I go to this, you can see in the case of Facebook, the algorithm also has a different way it places itself. In this case, it's coming majorly from Nigeria, Burundi, Kenya, and the rest of them. This is why you need to be in one or two platforms so that you can tap into this opportunity of creating more awareness. And why do you need to be on a couple of these platforms? Another point of it is it makes it very possible, even with your little viewers. You can see with my little volume of just 1,000 something on Facebook, when I go to my overview, you now see that I'm having up to 15,000 views and the rest of them reach. So this is why some of these things. So by the time you put in this 15,000 from here, you will now go to Facebook, you will now go to YouTube. This is YouTube here. So I go to YouTube. You will now see you're having 11,000 views again. You will now see that you're actually gathering a high weight. You put 11 plus. So as you are growing in this platform, you get to appreciate how the entire system is working. So because of the little variation in this algorithm, that is why you need to be in one or two of this platform and focus your energy. You don't need to create account everywhere. It's not really necessary when you're starting, because it's going to be very hectic posting on each of these platforms, because I'm actually speaking from experience. So I believe at this stage you get to appreciate it. Then this is where you now begin to get, when you now build a volume of subscribers, you now get to see how you begin to put all your affiliate related product into that particular platform. In this case, since I'm picking a niche, I can never go into posting about affiliate marketing that has nothing to do with DJs in this particular platform. If I must, it should be something that has value to DJs. So this is where the concept of affiliate marketing comes into play when it comes to platform like this. I would have shown you something here now. So when I go to this particular platform, this is a platform, is an affiliate related program that ensures people to separate vocal from other instrument in music. So if I come here, you will now see this is the bonus they gave me, 35 minutes. I have successfully gotten about 5 people to activate. That means to sign up using the referral link I'm having here. And how is it possible for me to get 5 people here? I made a video related about that particular platform, about this platform, the services it is offering. I'm going to show you the video now. When I go on my YouTube channel, so you can clearly see the video here. Look at the video that I'm talking about here. You can see how to separate vocal from this thing. This is an affiliate program. So it has, this is where I was able to put the referral link at the description box of the video. Very simple. Then you get to see the interesting part of it. With just 50 views, look at it, just 50 views, I was able to get, look at it, 5 referrals. 5 people have signed up using this particular link. This is why you now get to see that the concept of niche is very, very important. And this is what we talk about, video marketing. So in this case, you use a video to promote a particular product, tell them the solution they get to benefit from it, then you get your referral link there, then they get to work with it. You see, just a 50 view video is getting 5 referrals. Imagine the video has up to thousands of followers or thousands of views. You will now see that the number will be very high. So that is what content marketing is about. So this can be for sales of a product, sales of a commodity, sales of a digital product or physical product. So the list goes on. Thank you for watching this. I'm going to be putting more content in this regard. So keep a date as I continue to give you. I believe at this stage you now get to appreciate the concept of content creation, content marketing, and then affiliate marketing, how affiliate marketing really works in the real sense of it. So thank you very much. Catch you in my next video.